paying graphic designers to design logos for you or flyers for your business? Enough is enough. Let me show you exactly how you can design your own flyers and logos for free. This is not Canva. You're not even going to do any designing work. You're just going to send in the instruction, and this tool is going to do the design for you. And this is my promise to you. After watching this video to the end, you'll be able to create your own flyers and logos in less than 5 minutes without any design skills at all. And guess what? For free. Are you excited? Let's get straight into it. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Favour Kemjii, Okoro, and on this channel I teach you marketing, sales, business tips, finance, and lots more, helping you live a highly profitable life all round. So guess what, guys? If you're a business owner and you don't have a logo or flyer for your business, especially if you're in Nigeria and Africa at large, it is one very important thing people look out for to verify if you're a legit business owner, and not just any kind of logo, but a quality professional looking logo. This is why I recommend that business owners, regardless of what you're selling, try and get a logo that helps you sell your products and your services with ease. Now, if you do not have the money or you cannot afford to pay a graphic designer, let me show you this simple AI tool that will create your logo and flyer for you in 2 minutes or less. You've heard about it before. I've done a video about it before, and it's called Meta AI. And it's an AI tool created by Meta. Meta is the platform that owns so many social media applications like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. So this AI tool is available for free on all these apps. It's available on Messenger, it's available on Facebook, it's available on Instagram, and it's available on WhatsApp. All you have to do is update these apps to the latest versions. Go to Google Play Store, go to your iOS Apple Store, and click on update. Once these apps are updated to the highest version, you can get access to Meta AI. So no much talk. Let me show you exactly how you can create business flyers and logos for your business in less than 5 minutes. Let's go.
Hi guys, the tool we're going to be using to create our logo right now is called Meta AI, and this is a free AI tool that is found on all Meta platforms, all platforms owned by Meta, and these include Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So you can find Meta AI on any of these apps as long as your app is updated, and it is free to use. So now this AI can do a lot of things for you, but I'm going to currently use the one on Facebook. The reason being that the one on WhatsApp has a few limitations. I remember asking it to do something for me, and it was like, oh, I can't do that. But then I said, but you did this for me on Messenger. And he said, oh, sorry, I think there are little variations between, blah, 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 blah. But the point is, I think you'd rather use the one on Messenger or Facebook if you want to get these results that I just got or I'm about to get. So it's a new brand and I need a logo. So now here's what you can do. There are two ways you can do this. You can either allow the AI to, do its thing, or you can give the AI guides and tell it what you want to do. So if you already have a little design background, you can tell the AI the kind of thing you want, the kind of colors you want, or you can just allow the AI to do its thing. So let's just open Meta AI immediately and get it done. So we're going to click on the search bar at the top where you see Ask Meta AI Anything, and you're going to type, I just launched a new brand called Bookshop. This is an online bookstore where people can order books on different topics and industries, and on different topics, and get these books delivered to their doorstep for a small fee. Can you, I just wanted to do its thing for me, come up with a beautiful and attractive logo for this brand, and black as the brand colors. And then once you're done, you click on enter. You can see this is a previous logo I did with Meta AI, and I'm going to wait for it to give me this logo that I just asked for. What is this? This AI can be crazy, so I'm going to tell it this is not what I asked for. Please work on this again. The brand name is Bookshop, and it is a brand that sells books. So we're going to give it another instruction. Remove the texts underneath book books hub and send. Make, I think I like this logo a bit, but make the text more visible in this design and send. Now, why all of this is happening is because I did not give it specifications. I only gave colors. Sometimes for the AI to work best, you have to tell it, okay, I want a tree flying up and this, that. You don't give it specifications like this. You're going to keep working and working and working and working and working and working until you get what you want. As I'm showing you the rough patch, everything, so that you see how it goes. So you don't say, oh, I tried it once, it didn't give you. You have to keep trying until you get what you want. Okay, finally we have something we can use. You can always crop out this part, this logo that they put at the end here. Now see all the logos that he created. I like this one. It's just that the name is not quite visible, and then this one I also like it, just that I don't like what they wrote under it. It's 2006 stuff, but you can see this one was totally off point. I don't know what he was thinking, but you can see that we just created a logo for free with this AI tool, and it works, like it works so fast, so fast. So we're going to say thank you. But this last one is so pretty. Oh my god, we have found something.
So you can now use this design to sell your products, use it to post it on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media apps, and it is all yours, copyright free, and you can do this over and over and over and over again. This AI tool is completely free to use. Let me know if you try it out, and let me know how it works for you in the comment section. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and also tell your friends about this. Share the link on your WhatsApp status and let as many people as possible learn from this amazing content. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to share. Love you. Bye.